In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Trends Bar in Pinterest Mobile. Let's start right inside the Pinterest app on your phone. Open Pinterest as you normally would so you're on your home feed. What we're looking for is where Pinterest now surfaces trending ideas on mobile. In the past, you might remember a dedicated Trends Bar or button. Pinterest has evolved its interface over time, and on mobile, that feature isn't a fixed button anymore. Instead, those same trend insights are woven into the search experience. So rather than hunting for a separate trends bar, you'll use search to reveal what's hot right now. Look along the bottom of the screen for the magnifying glass icon. That's your search. Tap it to switch from the home feed to the search page. This is the central place where Pinterest highlights popular and emerging topics. You'll see a search field at the top, and depending on your version, you may also notice suggested topics, colorful chips, or a grid of ideas. All of these are driven by what people are actively saving and searching for. Now, click into the search bar and start typing the word outfits. As you type, watch the suggestions that appear below. These auto-suggestions are effectively your mobile trends bar. They reflect rising and popular searches related to your seed keyword. You might see seasonal phrases, styles, or specific occasions pair with outfits, and the order of these suggestions often mirrors current interest. This is incredibly useful if you're planning content, curating boards, or simply trying to catch what's gaining momentum. If you don't immediately see suggestions, try entering a few letters and pause for a moment. Pinterest will begin filling in ideas. You can tap any suggestion to open a results page full of pins aligned with that trending query. From there, you'll spot additional related terms along the top or within the results, which helps you drill down into what people are exploring right now. A quick tip: use broad, foundational words like outfits, recipes, home decor, or whatever matches your niche. Starting general helps Pinterest reveal the most robust set of trending extensions. Keep in mind that trends can vary by region, season, and recent events, which is why the search experience is the most up-to-date place to see them on mobile. And that's it. By heading to search and watching the suggestions populate as you type, using outfits as a simple example, you've found where the trends bar effectively lives on Pinterest mobile today.